Feel like your car is missing something? Let's fix that right now. Today, we're diving into next-level car gadgets that instantly upgrade your ride. From smart tech to seriously satisfying upgrades, this isn't basic. This is a whole new driving experience. You're watching RevX, where your ride gets smarter, cleaner, and way cooler. Hit subscribe, and let's take your car to the next level. Messy charging cables in your car? Yeah, that's not it. This retractable car charger station cleans everything up and powers everyone at the same time. With 36-watt fast charging, you can charge multiple devices quickly and safely. No slow charging here. It's designed for the back seat, so it's perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone with passengers. Just mount it on the headrest and you've got a clean, pro setup in seconds. You get 3 retractable cables that stretch out when needed and snap right back in when you're done. No clutter, no tangles. Plus, it supports micro USB, USB-C, and Lightning, so it works with basically every phone out there. Need flexibility? The cables rotate 360 degrees, so passengers can charge comfortably from any angle. And it's built smart, with overheat, overcharge, and overcurrent protection to keep everything safe. Bottom line, clean setup, fast charging, happy passengers. This is a must-have upgrade for any modern car.
What if your car had a hidden safe that no one would ever notice? This is the slide headrest safe. And yeah, it's exactly what it sounds like. It looks just like a normal headrest, but inside, it securely stores your valuables, and you can even take it with you when you leave the car. No complicated installs either. It's designed like a real automotive component, so it works with what you already have. No bolts, no tethers, no hassle. Security? Fully covered. You get 3 ways to access it: fingerprint, keypad, or a physical key, so you're always in control. And it's built to keep things seriously protected, giving you a safe, discreet place to store important items right inside your vehicle. Plus, it's been thoroughly tested to meet strict safety standards like FMVSS 202AS and 302. So this isn't just smart, it's legit. Bottom line, hidden, secure, portable. This might be the smartest upgrade you can add to your car.
Still checking your speed by looking down? That's risky. This GPS speedometer HUD keeps everything right in front of you. With a 5.5-inch display, you get your speed, direction, driving time, and distance all in one glance. It even shows satellite signal strength and a built-in compass, so you always know where you're headed. But here's where it really helps: safety. Set a speed limit, and if you go over, it alerts you instantly. Driving too long? It reminds you to take a break after 4 hours. The screen is auto-adjusting, so whether it's bright sunlight or nighttime, you always get a clear view. And thanks to its high-performance dual-core chip, the data updates in real time. No lag, no delay. Using it is simple. One button to control everything. Switch modes, check stats, done. Just keep in mind, it tracks your current trip, but doesn't store total distance when the car is off. Bottom line, safer driving, smarter data, 0 distractions. This is the upgrade your dashboard needs.
Flat tire in the middle of nowhere? Yeah, that's the worst. But this might save your day. Fix a flat. No jack, no tools, no weighing. Just connect, inflate, and go. This emergency tire repair spray seals small punctures in seconds. We're talking up to a 1/4 inch, and gives your tire enough air to get you back on the road fast. And now it seals even 33% larger punctures, so it's more reliable than ever. Perfect for compact cars. This 12-ounce can is something you just keep in your trunk and forget about until you really need it. It's also TPMS safe, and the eco-friendly formula means it's safe for you, your tire, and the environment. But remember, this is a temporary fix. It'll get you moving for up to about 100 miles or 3 days, giving you time to reach a repair shop. Bottom line, no stress, no heavy lifting, no roadside panic. Just spray it and drive. Your car cup holders dirty, scratched, and full of crumbs? Yeah, not a good look. These silicone car cup holder coasters,
fix that instantly. Made from eco-friendly, high-quality silicone, they're durable, flexible, and built to last, even handling heat up to 100 degrees C. They fit most cars, SUVs, sedans, you name it, as long as the size matches your holder. But here's why you actually need them. The raised edge design catches spills, crumbs, and drips before they mess up your car. No more sticky cup holders, no more cleanup headaches. And when you're driving on bumpy roads, they reduce that annoying cup rattling and protect against scratches. Cleaning is super easy too. Just pull them out, rinse, and you're done in seconds. Simple upgrade, big difference. Cleaner car, quieter ride, zero hassle.
Still using a basic rear-view mirror in 2026? You're missing out. This is the Wolfbox G930 Smart 4K Mirror Dashcam, and it upgrades your entire driving experience. You get 4K front recording and 1080p rear view, all displayed on a sleek mirror screen. Just swipe to switch views or adjust angles. It's that easy. And unlike traditional mirrors, this gives you a wider, clearer view with zero blind spots. Need footage fast? The upgraded 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you connect instantly through the app, download and share videos in seconds. Driving at night? No problem. With WDR and Super Night Vision, you get balanced exposure and crystal clear video even in low light. It also features built-in GPS tracking, so you can see your speed and route directly on your recordings. And for safety, it's got your back. Loop recording keeps things running non-stop, while the G-sensor automatically locks footage if there's an impact, so you always have proof when it matters. Bottom line, smarter driving, better visibility, total peace of mind. This isn't just a mirror, it's your car's upgrade.
Your car looks clean until you check the seats and corners. This Saker Plus 4-in-1 cordless car vacuum fixes that fast. It doesn't just vacuum. It blows, inflates, and even extracts air, making it way more than a basic cleaner. With up to 20,000 PA suction power, it handles everything from dust and crumbs to deep dirt in carpets and tight spaces. And you get multiple attachments, perfect for seats, vents, dashboards, and those impossible corners. Quiet too, under 75 decibels, so no annoying noise while you clean. Inside, it uses a dual filtration system with a HEPA filter, capturing fine dust and keeping the motor running strong. Battery? Solid. A 7,800 milliamp rechargeable battery gives you up to 40 minutes of runtime, all controlled with a sleek touchscreen display. Plus, it's lightweight and cordless, so you can use it anywhere, car, home, or office. Bottom line? More power, more versatility, less mess. This is the all-in-one cleaner your car actually needs. Getting into a hot car in summer? Yeah, it feels like an oven. This car windshield sunshade umbrella fixes that instantly. With its ice crystal cooling material, it helps keep your car's interior around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, way cooler than sitting in the sun. And unlike basic shades, it uses high-density 240T fabric with a reflective coating to block heat and protect your dashboard and seats from damage. Built tough, too. Military-grade materials and a reinforced spring structure make it durable and flexible, so it won't scratch your interior. The best part? It works just like an umbrella. Open it in seconds, fold it down just as fast, and store it easily in your door pocket or under the seat. And yeah, it's designed to fit almost any car, from sedans to SUVs, with multiple size options. Bottom line? Cooler car, protected interior, zero hassle. Once you use this, you'll never go back to those old sunshades.
Your car might look clean on top, but what about underneath? This 2-in-1 undercarriage pressure washer is how you clean what you can't even see. Switch between undercarriage mode and water broom mode in seconds. Just twist the adapter and you're ready to blast away dirt, mud, salt, and grime. It works with 2,500 to 4,000 psi pressure washers, so the higher the pressure, the deeper the clean. Got patios or driveways? Yeah, it handles those too, clearing leaves, gravel, and debris like nothing. Setup is super simple. With quick connect wands, you snap everything together and start cleaning in seconds. And the details? That's where it shines.
You get 5 different spray tips for different pressure levels, plus a wash mitt for extra cleaning power. The leak-proof removal nozzles keep water flowing smoothly and reduce clogging, and you even get extras for long-term use. Bottom line, deeper clean, less effort, pro-level results at home. Because a truly clean car is clean everywhere.
Always losing your keys, wallet, or the TV remote? Yeah, same. This Rake Key Finder locator fixes that instantly. Just press a button and follow the sound. Each item has its own tracker, so you'll hear a loud 80+ dB beep guiding you right to it. No apps, no phone, no setup headaches. You get 4 receivers, so you can track keys, wallets, remotes, even luggage, whatever you keep losing. Lost something under the couch or in the dark? The built-in LED light helps you spot it fast. And it works from up to 131 feet away, even through walls and cushions. Battery life? Solid. It comes with batteries included, so you're ready right out of the box. Plus, the big, easy buttons make it perfect for anyone, especially parents or anyone tired of losing stuff. Bottom line, less searching, less stress, more time saved. Press a button and find it instantly.
Road rage is real. But what if you could respond without saying a word? This LED hand gesture car light lets you express yourself on the road, the smart and funny way. You get 3 gesture modes: stop, love, and, angry. So whether you're thanking someone or telling them to back off, you've got it covered. And it's not just for fun. With 217 bright LEDs, it's clearly visible day or night, helping grab attention and improve safety. Control it instantly with a remote from up to 80 feet away. No reaching, no distraction. Installation? Super easy. Stick it on your rear window, press for a few seconds, and you're good to go. It runs on simple batteries, so no complicated wiring. Bottom line? More fun, more communication, less stress on the road. Because sometimes a simple gesture says it all.
Tired of guessing when you park in your garage and ending up too close or way too far? This Fosman dual laser parking assistant fixes that instantly. It projects precision laser points right where your car should stop, so you park perfectly every single time. And with the new 75-degree wider angle, it works for 1 or even 2 cars in the garage. No complicated setup either. Install it in minutes, aim the lasers, and you're done. Best part? It's motion activated. The lasers turn on automatically when you pull in and shut off after 30 seconds. You also get independent laser control, so you can switch between 1 or 2 parking spots anytime. Plus, the lasers are fully adjustable 360 degrees, so it works with any vehicle, big or small. And even during a power outage, the battery backup keeps it running when you need it most. Bottom line, no more guessing, no more scratches, just perfect parking, every time.
Breakdown on the road at night. That's a dangerous situation. This LED emergency roadside flare kit makes sure you're seen from up to a mile away. With super bright red LEDs, it cuts through darkness, fog, and even daylight, so other drivers know exactly where you are. You get 3 lighting modes: strobe for emergencies, solid light for visibility, and flashlight mode when you need it. Super simple to use. Just turn it on and place. No complicated setup, no stress. It runs on AAA batteries, included, so you're always ready when something goes wrong. And it comes in a compact, durable case, so it fits easily in your trunk without taking up space. Use it for roadside emergencies, traffic control, or even as a rescue signal. Bottom line, more visibility, more safety, more peace of mind. Because when things go wrong, being seen can save your life.
Changing a tire the old way. Yeah, that's outdated. This electric car jack kit does all the hard work for you. With a 3-ton lifting capacity, it can raise most vehicles in about 60 seconds. Just press a button and watch it lift. No more struggling, no more manual cranking. Anyone can use it, anytime, anywhere. And it gets even better. It comes with a high-torque impact wrench, delivering up to 450 Newton meters, so you can remove lug nuts in seconds. You also get multiple socket sizes, so it works with a wide range of vehicles. Power it your way. Plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet or directly to the battery, and the long cable lets you reach any tire easily. Plus, it's built for real-life situations. Waterproof design, backup fuses, and reliable performance, whether you're in your garage, on a road trip, or stuck on the roadside. Just remember, always use it on a flat surface for safety. Bottom line, faster, easier, way less stress. This is the upgrade every driver should keep in their trunk.
Taking your eyes off the road just to check speed? That's risky. This smart HUD speedometer keeps everything right in your line of sight. It projects your speed clearly, so you can see it at a glance, no looking down, no distractions. And it's not just basic info. You get 10 different display modes, real-time data, and even fault code readings. Mount it your way, on the dashboard or windshield. Quick setup, no damage, no hassle. Here's where it really stands out. It uses dual mode, OBD plus GPS, giving you smoother, more accurate data than standard displays. Plus, it's smart about safety. Drive normally, you'll see a calm blue ambient light. Start speeding, it switches to red to warn you instantly. Brightness adjusts automatically, so it's always clear, day or night. Bottom line, less distraction, more awareness, safer driving. Once you use this, you won't want to drive without it.
Still dealing with blind spots while driving? That's risky. This upgraded wide-angle rearview mirror changes everything. With its convex design, you get a much wider field of view, meaning fewer blind spots and way more confidence on the road. Backing up? Safer. Checking traffic behind you? Crystal clear.
Think your car can handle snow? Think again. This is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. These high-performance snow chains fit a wide range of tires, from 215, 70, 16, all the way up to 255, 30, 20, so they're ready for almost any ride. The diamond pattern design gives you serious grip and stability on snow and ice, so you stay in control when it matters most. But here's the real flex. Koenig ATC Tech automatically tightens and centers the chains while you drive. No stopping, no getting out in the cold. And with a micro-adjust system, installation is fast, easy, and super precise. Worried about scratching your wheels? Don't be. The Windshield protection uses anti-scratch materials and nylon bumpers to keep your rims safe. Plus, with just 9mm clearance, it works even on tight setups. And yeah, it's fully certified with TÜV, ONORM, and UNI standards. Bottom line, more grip, more control, zero stress. Drive through winter like a pro.